Welcome to Via21 Vlog. The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of the earth, is not only home to stunning biodiversity, but also to some of the deadliest creatures on the planet. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most dangerous animals in the Amazon rainforest, where death can come from a single bite, sting, or even a touch. Are you ready to dive into the wild side of nature? Let's begin. Coral snake, deadly in disguise. With their bright, colorful stripes, coral snakes look almost beautiful, but don't be fooled. They carry neurotoxic venom that can paralyze and kill within hours if untreated. Worse still, they're often mistaken for harmless snakes, making them even more dangerous to those unfamiliar with the jungle. The Amazon's most lethal viper. Responsible for the most snakebite deaths in the region, this aggressive pit viper is a true killer. Its venom causes tissue destruction and internal bleeding. Often hidden in leaf litter, it strikes without warning when disturbed. Wandering spider, a nightmare on 8 legs. Named the world's most venomous spider, this spider doesn't build webs. Instead, it wanders at night, hunting for prey and sometimes sneaking into shoes, clothes, or beds. Its venom attacks the nervous system, potentially causing paralysis and death. Tiny but lethal. These frogs may look small and colorful, but their skin contains enough poison to kill 10 adults. Indigenous tribes once used their toxins to tip blow darts for hunting. Remember, the more colorful it is, the more deadly. The flesh-eating swarm. With razor-sharp teeth and a powerful bite, piranhas are infamous for their feeding frenzies. Though not always aggressive, during the dry season or when food is scarce, they can strip flesh in seconds. A wounded animal in the water? That's an open invitation. Eel, nature's shockwave. This isn't your typical eel. The electric eel can deliver shocks of up to 600 volts. That's enough to stun prey, defend itself, or kill a human who falls unconscious and drowns. It's an underwater predator armed with electric power. Centipede, multi-legged monster. Growing up to 12 inches long, this centipede is a ruthless predator. It hunts insects, frogs, lizards, and even bats. Its venom isn't always fatal, but it can cause intense pain, fever, vomiting, and swelling. Silent and deadly. The largest cat in the Americas, the Jaguar is a solitary and stealthy killer. It has the strongest bite of any big cat, capable of crushing skulls and turtle shells. A true apex predator that attacks with speed, silence, and precision. Bullet ant, the most painful sting on Earth. Its sting has been described as like being shot, hence the name. Bullet ants deliver a venom that causes waves of pain, lasting up to 24 hours. Some Amazon tribes even use them in initiation rituals to test endurance.